Hey, what's up guys, this is Deepak and you're watching Creative Duo. Friends, in this video I will talk about how to slow down the motion of your video in Filmora. That's we call it slow-mo. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now you can see the Filmora is open on my computer. Now the first process I will do the drag down the video to my Filmora timeline. Now you can see the video is present on my Filmora timeline. Let me show you the normal speed. Now you can see the video is in normal speed. Now I will slow down the video speed. So I will double click on the video. Then I will slow down the speed. I will keep it into let 0.250 value. Then hit OK. Now let's see the video speed. Now you can see the video is slow down. So you will adjust your speed according to your video and as you require. So thanks for watching. If you want more video like this, then subscribe our channel and comment down below in what topic you are looking for the video. So thanks for watching.